That's a wrap so far. It's time to put on the horsehair. I've had no formal training in this type of work, so the technique I'm using is something I've developed on my own. I like to work this hair at a diagonal. I'll pull up some slack in this bridle tie here. Start working a little more here. Start working against that previous bail. Just feather these away at a diagonal direction. A little gnarl there to get rid of. After I get this under there a ways, I'll snug this up just a little bit. Start working across. Use the regulator. Bring up some slack in this next bail. I'm pressing this in so that soft compression on it feels like about an inch thick. I'll adjust this tie just a little bit there. Pull this one back. All right, with all the hair in place, I'll pull it down snug with muslin. I'll pull this down with the hair just lightly breaking away over the back of this roll. I'm going to use temporary staples because there's going to be a lot of adjustment made by the time I get it all pulled evenly. I'm going to drop down to this lower rail here. As I'm pulling down the sides, I'm keeping the hair on top of the roll. I remove these staples and finish cleaning up this profile. Well, far out, this thing is finally ready for cover cloth.